In this video, I'm going to show you how to add gift card to Marks and Spencer online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up any web browser and go to marksandspencer.com. Now from here, I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to click on sports. Now I'm going to put some shoes on there. I'm going to pick these elastic waist joggers instead. This is just for demonstration purposes because we need to get to the payment section to add this gift card in. So I'm going to choose my size, add to bag, click on check out. Alright, so I've got my waisted joggers. Now I'm going to go see next step. Alright, so I've put in my delivery address, delivery options, standard delivery, and payment. So in the payment section, this is where you can use pay by gift card. So go ahead and click on pay by gift card, enter the code and click apply. And then whatever that code amounts to will be deducted off your total order. So if you've got a gift card for £50, you'd only have to pay the remaining balance of $3.99 using a Visa card, credit card, PayPal, etc. Then from there, go ahead and place your order and pay.